My house is like wrecked. So starting in the kitchen, this is like stuff that needs put away. Dirty dishes, dirty dishes, dirty dishes, clean dishes. This is produce from when I went to the store earlier that needs put away. This is just some stuff that needs put away. This is just a mess. This is all a mess. All the kids' stuff needs picked up. The couch needs all picked up over there. Let's go over here. This, yeah. So all this needs picked up.
Hey guys, so if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you guys wanted to join me here and go ahead and subscribe. And if you want notifications, you can hit the bell if it's not already done. But thank you guys for watching. My house is not normally this messy. It's honestly really embarrassing. I almost was like, I just need to clean it and not film anything. But I did want to film it for you guys so you could see that my house gets just as trashed too. Here I'm putting my leftovers away. I made just like a really simple Alfredo, and I just did rotisserie chicken, and it was so good. So I have lately been making a really big effort for not just me but my whole family to eat more plant-based kind of things. So we still eat a ton of other stuff, as you can tell by the raffles in the background. But I am trying to eat more plants and just fruits and vegetables and all that kind of stuff. So when I went to the store, I bought a ton of different kind of produce things that need kind of to be stored on the counter. So it's really great, except I have tiny counter space. I don't have like a big pantry I can put them in. So it was kind of a challenge, not just to find space on my counter for them, but bowls to hold everything. Because since we live in such a small house, I don't have as much stuff. I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff, put some stuff in storage when we get a bigger house, but I don't have like all these mixing bowls and stuff. So it was kind of hard to find things to store it all in, but it all worked out.
Looks like a blink of an eye's not enough. She'd rather be staying for days now. I'd rather fix it than mess up again. She'd rather be burning it all now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame.
So if y'all watch when I move this blanket here on the couch, the dog comes out of it and she goes into the other blanket. She loves these couch blankets. So I left the other blanket alone since I knew she was in there and all comfy. I didn't want to disturb her too much, but that dog loves those blankets.
Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change.
My poor dining room table. Oh my gosh, it catches everything. It's awful. We live in this tiny house. Clutter is just like overwhelming. It's everywhere. And it all seems to want to collect on this table. We have a tiny laundry room, so like the laundry room mess kind of like comes out of the laundry room and starts collecting in there. And it's just bad. So if you guys have any tips for that, I guess just let me know. But yeah, it's
I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone.
Y'all can probably tell it's the next day. Cooper was crying for me the night that I was filming this. My back hurt, it just wasn't gonna work, so I stopped and figured I'd pick it back up the next day, and so that's what I'm doing. Also, Cooper threw up in our bed that night, and so I need to now change the sheets, and my friend is coming to use our guest room in a few days after I film this, so I also needed to get the guest room ready for her, and also the hallway bathroom. So, to add on to what I already didn't do, that's what I'm going to be working on. In addition to being a tiny house, there's no closet space. So this closet, please tell me you have a closet like this in your house. It's awful. So in here I just keep our suitcases, and then the clothes are things I'm going to sell at Rayalana's, which is like a consignment thing that you can sell used kids clothing and juniors clothing and things like that. So I keep all of that in there between Rayalana's events. I had been wanting a new lamp for this room, so I was super excited to find this lamp on clearance at Target for literally just a couple bucks. I was super stoked. So here you'll see me looking to see what wattage this lamp can have. If you use too high of a wattage, it can be a fire hazard, so you want to make sure that you do that when you get a new lamp. Make sure that you check what wattage it can handle.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Disgusted with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out.
The drain in my sink always gets this foggy look after a while, so when I clean my bathroom and deep clean it, I put like some kind of scrub in there, and then I use this to really scrub out the sink, and it makes that drain super shiny and pretty, and I love it.
Whoa, say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to.
And I promised I cleaned the toilet too, but I figured y'all didn't need to see that, so I left it out. Check out this shot of baby Cooper. How cute is he? Look at his little feet kicking over here. Oh, I just love him so much. Thank you guys so much for watching until the end. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys, have a blessed day.